Hello students, we are doing product of vectors. The first problem for today is modulus of p bar is equal to 2, modulus of q bar is equal to 3, angle between p and q is pi by 6, then find modulus of p bar cross q bar. We have modulus of p bar cross q bar is equal to modulus of p bar into modulus of q bar into sine of p bar q bar. Modulus of p bar is 2, modulus of q bar is 3, sine of p bar q bar is sine pi by 6, 2 into 3, sine 30 is 1 by 2, so 2 gets cancelled, you have 3. So the answer is 3. You have to find p bar cross q bar whole square. You have p bar cross q bar is equal to 3, p bar cross q bar whole square is equal to 9. Is that clear? Yes. The next problem. For today, if a bar is equal to 2i minus j plus k, b bar is equal to I minus 3j minus 5k, then find a bar cross b bar. How to find a bar cross b bar? Given a bar is equal to 2i minus j plus k, b bar is equal to I minus 3j minus 5k, a bar cross b bar is equal to, you have to write I, j, k, 2 minus 1, 1, 1 minus 3 minus 5. So here you have I into 5 plus 3 minus j into minus 10 minus 1 plus k into minus 6 plus 1. So that is nothing but 8i plus 11j minus 5k. That is nothing but a bar cross b bar is given by 8i plus 11j minus 5k. Here they are asking modulus of a bar cross b bar. Modulus of a bar cross b bar is equal to under root of 8 square plus 11 square minus 5 whole square. That is nothing but 64 plus 121 minus 5 whole square is 25. So that is nothing but 64, 121, 25, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 under root of 210. That is what you get. Let us discuss the next problem. A bar is equal to 2i minus 3j plus k, b bar is equal to I plus 4j minus 2k. Find a bar plus b bar cross a bar minus b bar. This is what you have to find. What is a bar here? 2i minus 3j plus k. B bar is I plus 4j minus 2k. Now, a bar plus b bar is nothing but 2i minus 3j plus k plus I plus 4j minus 2k, 2i plus I, 3i, 4j minus 3j, j, k minus 2k minus k. This is a bar plus b bar. A bar minus b bar is 2i minus 3j plus k minus I minus 4j plus 2k. 2i minus I minus 7j plus 3k. A bar plus b bar cross a bar minus b bar is equal to I j k. A bar plus b bar 3 1 minus 1 1 minus 7 3. So this is nothing but I into 3 minus 7 minus j into 3 plus 1 plus k into minus 21 minus 1. So that is nothing but I into minus 4 minus j into 4 plus k into minus 22, which is nothing but minus 4i minus 4j plus minus 22k. This is what you have. Minus 4i j into, this is j into 3 plus 1, 9 plus 1, this is 9 plus 1, so this is 10, this is 10. J. Okay, let us discuss the next problem. Fourth problem for today. If 4i plus 2p by 3j plus pk is parallel to I plus 2j plus 3k, find p. Given 4i plus 2p by 3j plus pk is parallel to I plus 2j plus 3k. That implies 4 by 1 is equal to 2p by 3 by 2 is equal to p by 3. Here 2 gets cancelled. P by 3 is equal to 4. This implies P is equal to 12. Therefore, the value of P is 12. The next problem that we have for today, compute A bar cross B bar cross C bar plus B bar cross C bar plus, this is plus, C bar plus A bar plus C bar cross A bar plus B bar. You have to compute this, that is you have to find the value of this. Let us see how to find. This is associative distributive property. Here you are using distributive property. A bar cross B bar plus A bar cross C bar, B bar cross C bar plus B bar cross A bar, C bar cross A bar plus C bar cross B bar. Here you have, that is equal to A bar cross B bar plus A bar cross C bar plus B bar cross C bar minus A bar cross B bar minus A bar cross C bar minus B bar cross C bar. So plus A bar cross B bar minus A bar cross B bar plus A bar cross C bar minus A bar cross C bar plus B bar cross C bar minus B bar cross C bar cancel. The answer is 0. Okay, let us discuss the next problem. Find unit vector perpendicular to both I plus j plus k and 2i plus j plus 3k. You have to find the unit vector perpendicular to these two vectors. Solution: unit vector perpendicular to vectors A bar comma B bar is given by A bar cross B bar by modulus of A bar cross B bar. Let us first find A bar cross B bar. A bar is equal to I plus j plus k. B bar is equal to 2i plus j plus 3k. A bar cross B bar is equal to I j k 1 1 1 2 1 3. So this is plus minus plus, that is I into 3 minus 1 minus j into 3 minus 2. Close this and close this. 3 minus 2 plus k into 1 minus 2. This is nothing but 2i minus j minus k. 2i minus j minus k, that is A bar cross B bar. Modulus of A bar cross B bar is equal to, this is A bar cross B bar. Modulus of A bar cross B bar will be under root of 2 square minus 1 square plus minus 1 square. 2 square plus minus 1 square plus minus 1 square, that is 4 plus 1 plus 1, that is root 6. Therefore, the unit vector perpendicular to A bar and B bar is 2i minus j minus k by root 6. This is the answer. To I minus j minus k by root 6. Let us discuss the next problem. This is sixth problem. Seventh. If theta, here it is ninth problem. If theta is the angle between vectors I plus j and j plus k, then find sin theta. Here let a bar is equal to I plus j, b bar is equal to j plus k, sin theta is equal to modulus of a bar cross b bar by modulus of a bar into modulus of b bar. Let us find a bar cross b bar first. It is I j k 1 1 0 0 1 1, that is equal to I into 1 minus 0 minus j into 1 minus 0 plus k into 1 minus 0, that is I minus j plus k. Now modulus of a bar cross b bar is equal to under root of 1 square plus minus 1 whole square plus 1 square, that is root 3. Modulus of a bar is equal to root of 1 square plus 1 square, that is root 2. Modulus of b bar is also 1 square plus 1 square, which is root 2. Sin theta is equal to root 3 by root 2 into root 2. Sin theta is equal to root 3 by 2. Simplies theta is equal to pi by 3. Hello students, the next problem for today. Find the area of the parallelogram having a bar is equal to 2j minus k bar, b bar is equal to minus I plus k bar as adjacent sides. So what we have to do is, the area of parallelogram is modulus of a bar cross b bar. First of all, let us find a bar cross b bar. Consider a bar cross b bar. A bar cross b bar is nothing but I j k 0 2 minus 1 minus 1 1 minus 1 0 1, that is nothing but I into 2 minus 0 minus j into 0 minus 1 plus k into 0 plus 2, that is 2i plus j plus 2k. Modulus of a bar cross b bar is equal to under root of 2 square plus 1 square plus 2 square, which is 4 plus 1 plus 4, which is root 9, which is equal to 3 square units. We shall discuss similar kind of problem. Take this problem for homework. Find vector area of parallelogram having a bar is equal to I plus 2j minus k, b bar is equal to 2i minus j plus 2k. Here you have to find vector equation of parallelogram for these two vectors as adjacent sides. Okay, that's about this problem, children. We shall continue in the next class.